Hi, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Kathleen, and today I am unboxing a new pair of earbuds. This is a new pair I got. They are Betron, I think that's how you say it. And they're like noise canceling headphones. They have the rubbery things, and those just feel better in my ears. Alright, and on the back of the box, you have like a little kind of diagram of what the headphone is, like all the parts, and then, yeah, that's basically it. And down here, it just has some specs, it looks like. So, yeah. And I'm hoping, I didn't really like check too much, but I hope it's just one wire, and that's what it looks like here. Let's take the plasticky thing off. Okay, now for the unboxing. So it looks catio. Does it slide? Feels like it should slide. Oh, whoa, that's really cool. Watch. Oh, I've never had headphones like this. That's awesome. Okay, so it comes with a little club benefits of like something for the brand. I don't know what that is. And it looks like you get a manual on how to use headphones. Okay, just warnings and keep out of reach of children. And do not use while driving. Okay. Oh wow, that's nice. So it comes with a little bag that actually it's so it has the brand name on it, and this is magnetic, which is super cool. It's really nice. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so inside your bag you have it's kind of hard to open. Okay, so I get a little clip for something. I'm not really sure what that's for, but I get two little packages of earbuds. So I get a black pair, and I'm pretty sure they're different sizes, and a gray pair. I'm not sure what this clip is for, but maybe we'll find out soon. So that's it. On to the headphones. So they're kind of wedged in this foamy material. Okay, so this has a little case over it. I'm just gonna pop out. And the feeling is more of a rubbery, but it looks like it's pretty sturdy. This looks nice, and doesn't have like the triangle one like my last one did. It's pretty straight, and looks like something on here moves a little bit. Maybe if you want it like tighter or something, you can move that. But it has the headphones up here. Those look really nice. And I suppose you can change the earbud pieces out for black if you wanted to, but it has like a little reddish, you could maybe say that's pink, I'm not really sure, band on it, and these are metal. They feel metal, they look metal. But it all comes, the two pieces come down to this one, and that's what I like because I won't really have a problem with them splitting. Alright, I'm going to go check them out with my phone real fast, and I'll tell you how the sound quality is. Alright, so I've been listening to my headphones a bit more, and I just noticed it focused a lot on the instruments. It still like has, it still focuses on the music too, but it really does focus on the bass and stuff, but it is cool because it's kind of like a different listening experience. But I think I'll get to like these. Unlike my last pair of headphones, I think you can like, there's no right or left earbud, you can just go in either. And I was really surprised with how this all came packaged, because that's really nice. Usually they just come in a little like this plastic bag type thing. So that was a nice surprise. And the box is really nice because that's also magnetic. So I'm going to be keeping that box. So that is all for my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox my new Betron, I still hope I'm saying that right, headphones. And please remember to like and subscribe if you want more future videos like this. And have a fabulous day. Bye!